Hi guys, welcome to my page. In this video I'll be showing you how I did my son's 2 years birthday decor and also photo shoot of his birthday decor. So over here it was at night. I had to blow some of the balloons to save me time, so I blowed almost 200 balloon plus. In here I was trying to tie the balloon together, like 4 balloons together, while using my 260 tie to hold down the balloons. So this is what I'm doing. I'm a mom that loves decoration. When it comes to decoration for my kid, I love to do that because I'm a DIY mom. Where I live is not something you just gotta be spending money, so you have to learn to do things on your own. So this is me doing my son's birthday decoration. So I'm already tying the balloons, so I have to do this to save me time for the next morning, so that when it's time for me to decorate, it'll be more easier for me to set up the balloon arc. So that is what I'm doing over here, and as you can see, I was done with that. So here I'm showing you guys, I'm using tablecloths, and I'm using the 260 balloon. I'm also using a rubber ring, and I'm also going to be using an office pin. So this is my arc. First of all, I have to tie my 260 balloon together. This is 2. I'm going to use my office pin like at the bottom of it, like hold it, because that's what I'm going to use to hold in place these tablecloths that I put on the arc. So this was it after I was done. This is the back, and that's it for that one. So now it's time to set our balloon. So this is my clip, and I put the 260 balloon on it, and to use it to hold the balloon. So that's, you can see me what I did at the video. So I'm going to do another one. Just look clearly and you understand what I'm trying to do to hold this one in place as well. And boom, same thing I did to set up the rest at the top. I'm going to do the same for this one. Just repeat the same process. That's just what I'm going to say. You repeat the same process just to hold down your balloon in place. So I was done with those ones, and see guys, my decoration is coming out pretty cool. And so I went ahead to add some little balloons to make it more classic, to make it look more beautiful. And boom, I set up my birthday light, sorry. And here's my decoration, guys. Baby's ready for 2 years photo shoots. So guys, what do you think about my decoration? Did I try or did I not try? Rate it out of 10. 1 over 10. Rate my decoration. So happy birthday to my son. God bless you, baby, as you turn 2. God's protection. Love you guys. Bye.